provide coverage up to age 100 or until the insured dies. That's the first thing that makes them permanent. Now, at age 100, the policy will mature. It's also called the endowment date at age 100. What that means is any cash value that they have in their policy should equal the face amount or the death benefit of the policy at maturity, and that cash value will get paid back to the insured. It doesn't go to the beneficiary, it goes back to the insured because they're still alive and policy goes away. Next, permanent policies will build cash value. Another name for that cash value is called living benefits. You don't have to die to use it. You can use it while you're still living. So living benefits. Now, since you're buying a permanent policy so that you'll have life insurance, but also so you will have cash value, the insurance company has to make some guarantees to you. So you need to know for your test that every permanent policy and every annuity we talk about are all going to have a guaranteed minimum interest rate that we get paid on them, usually like 3 to 4%. But every permanent policy, every annuity will have that guaranteed minimum interest rate, except for one, which is a variable policy, and I'll talk about that at the end of this chapter. Now, as far as your cash value goes, it is also called the non-forfeiture value. And it usually takes 3 years to grow your cash value. The first couple of years, the insurance company keeps everything so they can send you guys on trips and cruises for selling their products. So that's a broad overview of your permanent policies. Now I want to get into the specific types of permanent policies and tell you what you need to know about each one. So first, we have a whole life policy. All a whole life policy is a permanent policy. It builds cash value, has a guaranteed minimum interest rate that gets paid on it. Now, the first thing you need to know is that a whole life policy will have a fixed or level premium. You will know that a policy will have a fixed or level premium if you see the word whole in the name of the policy. So it's kind of word association there. If you see the name